Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you a couple things, how to set up your Metamask wallet, how to connect it to OpenSea, and how to put balance on that Metamask wallet, and then finally how to go ahead and buy an NFT on the Polygon chain, such as the Protagonists. So let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and look up Metamask. There will be a link down below or in the Discord on how to find the actual one. It's metamask.io. Make sure you have it correctly. What you're going to do is just click download now, and you can download it for Chrome, iOS, or Android, Firefox, Brave, and Edge as well. So you're going to install that for Chrome, and you're just going to run through a really quick setup process. I'm not going to go through it because it's really simple. You just set it up and you get it going. Then it pops up here, MetaMask. Hey guys, sorry, I'm adding this after the video. This is kind of important. So you're wondering, how can I switch my wallet to blockchain like Polygon? This is going to be useful for the later step that I forgot to record this. So you're going to want to do is go to this link I'm going to give you, or you can go to just right here, chainlist.org, and you're going to search for Polygon mainnet. You're going to connect your wallet, and then you'll connect your wallet, and then you're going to click add to MetaMask. That's it. Really simple. Just need to interject that. Next thing you're going to do is go to OpenSea.io, and you're going to connect your wallet. MetaMask is what you want to use. That's why we set it up. So you're going to click on MetaMask, and you'll just sign in. Go ahead and go through your settings or anything like that. You can see that my profile has my wallet, and it has all of my NFTs. Anyways, now the next thing you're going to want to do is go to Moonpay. Now, if you already have crypto, you can turn your crypto from the Ethereum blockchain to your Polygon blockchain, but the fees are really high. Since each individual protagonist is only about $30, I would definitely recommend that you just go ahead and buy about $40 or so worth of Ethereum on the Polygon chain, and not the Ethereum chain. So what I'm going to use for that is moonpay.com. So what you're going to do here is you're just going to click buy crypto. You're going to go ahead and you need to select Ethereum, look up Ethereum, but make sure it's on the Polygon chain. This is incredibly important. If you buy Ethereum on the Ethereum chain, it's going to go to the wrong MetaMask wallet. You can see here, instead of going to your Polygon mainnet on here, you're going to be going and putting the money into your Ethereum mainnet. Now what this will do, I now have Polygon on the Ethereum mainnet, but I am not able to use that on OpenSea. And this Ethereum I'm not able to use on OpenSea. I have to have it on the Polygon mainnet. But what you want to do is select Ethereum Polygon. Go ahead and put about $40 of USD, as long as you're getting 0.01 Ethereum. That is how much each individual protagonist calls for, and you should be good. So just press continue, and then you'll run through. Finally, the last thing you're going to do is really simple. You're going to go onto the OpenSea collection for anti-protagonists. It's opensea.io/collection/anti-crypto-pro. And you're going to go and select which one you want. First come, first serve. So when it comes to the backgrounds and all that, there's only about 19 with the dark to light. So let's say we want to go ahead and pick up this one right here. It looks pretty groovy. We're going to go ahead and you're going to make an offer on it. Right now it says sell for me because I own them. But you're going to click make an offer and put in 0.01 Ethereum. Now, I have gone through and made a couple of them for sale, but there is no actual way at the moment to sell all of them for a certain amount each. So that would require that I actually go ahead and go through 10,000 of these, actually 9.7 thousand, and set the price for them. And that is not possible because there's no scripting or anything. So if you want number 3, you could click just buy now on that. But for the most part, you should be good. Just press request, and then I'll go ahead and approve your request. Thank you guys for watching, and good luck.